Okay, in the previous video, we have learned the circle, the general form of general equations of a circle, and also the standard form where the circle is located at center 0, 0, as well as the center at HK. So now we move to more details, okay, about the conic sections, okay. Alright, so we are still in a circle, but we want to discuss in details, okay, about a circle. So we divide into two, which is the intersections point between two circles, and also intersection point between a circle and a line. Okay, so a circle and a line ni actually you pakai you punya knowledge, okay, in subtopic 1.1 in the previous week lesson. Okay, so let's see intersection point between the two circles. Okay, intersection, nama pun intersection. Okay, maksudnya adalah titik persilangan. Okay, between two circles. So ada two circles. But we have a few probability, kebarangkalian, the locations of the two circles lah. Kita ada dua, kita ada tiga. We have two possible locations of the circles. Alright, the first one is, okay, this way. Okay, this way. Tak kisahlah kalau kat sini ke atas bawah pun sama. We have 2 points of intersections. Okay, we have 2 intersection points. Alright, so this one macam mana kita nak recognize? Okay, ini adalah yang circle 1. Let's say, and then this one is circle 2. Okay, this one is the center of the circles respectively. So how to determine the distance? Distance ni, okay, distance ni adalah daripada center of both circles. Okay, center of both circles. That is the distance. Distance of center of the circles. Alright, so D sama juga square root distance x square I square x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, okay, which is less than, okay, radius 1 plus radius 2. Sebab apa? Ini radius 1 sahaja ataupun radius 2 sahaja. Okay, dia kurang daripada radius 1 plus radius 2. Okay, kalau you dapat the distance, okay, where is less than R1 plus R2, so maksudnya kedudukan intersection point dia like this lah. And then we also have, okay, intersection points. Intersection point dia satu saja, dia dekat sini lah. Okay, satu saja, ataupun kedudukan dia macam ni menegak. Nampak macam nombor 8 pula, okay. So the distance is sama, tapi okay, dia adalah equal to R1 plus R2. Sama kan? Ya, distance dia. Cuma, okay, cuma this one. Okay. Like this. Okay, so yang ketiga adalah no intersection point. Kita ada two circles, tapi circles tu dia berjauhan. Okay, dia jarak-jarak ataupun macam ni lah, menegakkan. We have two circles, tapi there's no intersection point. Macam mana nak tahu bila the distance, okay, is greater then R1 plus R2. Betul lah greater. Sebab distance ni kita ukur dia, we measure from the center of circle 1 to the center of circle 2. Okay, let's say this one is circle 1, this one is circle 2. So the distance from the center of C1 to the center of C2 greater than R1 plus R2. Okay, okay, so let's see the example. Find the points of intersections of the circle given x squared plus y squared is equal to 5 and x minus 1 squared plus y squared is equal to 9. Okay, so okay, what is the center of a C1? From here you can see that what is the center of C1? Center of C1 is a 0, 0. The radius of the radius of a circle 1 is a square root 5. What about the C2? C2, okay, this one is a C1. Consider this one is a C2. C2, what is the, okay, the x minus h square plus y minus k square, right? Equal to r square. So C2, h their center is 1, 0. Okay, where the radius is equal to, okay, this one y squared is equal to 9 is equal to 3 squared is equal to 3. Okay, so what is the distance? Nak cari distance. So D1, DC1, DC2 is equal to square root of, okay, x 1 minus 0 square plus 0 minus 0 square, right? So equal to what? 1 square, 1 square, so equal to 1. So what is R1 plus R2? R1 plus 2 is equal to, okay, square root 5 plus 3. Okay, so apa yang kita boleh conclude? What is a square root 5 plus 3? It is a 5.236 1. Okay, so since, okay, the C1, C2 is less than, okay, R1 plus R2. So hence, there are two intersection points between two circles. Okay. Intersection points between two circles. So macam mana nak buat? Okay. Alright, so kita ambil C1 kan? X square plus y square is equal to 5. Okay, so C2, okay, C2 you expand this one, you got x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus y squared is equal to 9. Okay, so x squared minus 2x plus y squared is equal to 8. Okay, so this is question number 2. So apa nak buat? Kita pakai simultaneous equation lah. So simultaneous equation, so 1 minus 2. Okay, so 1 minus 2. So x squared plus x squared, so habis lah. Okay, so 0 minus negative 2. Okay, 0 minus dengan negative 2, so you got 2x. Okay, so okay, y square minus y square habis 5 minus 8 negative 3. So 2x is equal to negative 3. Okay, so you got x is equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, so we substitute x is equal to negative 3 over 2. Okay, into paling senang into 1. Okay, so you got negative 3 over 2 square plus, what is the y? Plus y square. So ini. Okay, yang original. So equal to 5. Okay, so 9 over 4 plus y square is equal to 5. Okay, so what is a y square? Y square is equal to plus minus square root 11 over 2. Okay, saya rewrite balik this one. Okay, so you got y square is equal to 5 minus 9 over 4 is equal to plus, okay, so y is equal to, sebab square kan, so akan di plus minus square root of 11 over 4. Okay kan? Ini y square, so everything must be. Okay, square, so dalam, okay, plus minus square root 11 over 4. So therefore, points of inflection okay, therefore points of intersections, inflection, safely inflection. Dia adalah intersection Okay, points of intersections are x adalah negative 3 over 2, so negative 3 over 2. Okay, negative square root 11 over 2, and also satu lagi negative 3 over 2 added negative square root 11 over 2. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, now we move to the intersection point between a circle and a line. Okay, so ini actually konsep dia lebih kurang sama macam kita belajar okay on last week punya subtopic. Okay, alright, so okay, intersection point between a circle and a line. Ni kita ada satu circle je. Okay, and the line pass through the circles. Okay, this one is a circle and a line. Alright, so okay, two intersection point. Okay, bila the line cuts on the the circles in this way. Okay, ni sama pakai D. Dia ada dua kan. Satu yang D and the D. Okay. And then another one where we have a circle and a line. Okay, so this square root of D is modulus of AH plus BK plus C over square root of AX square plus B square. So we will have a two intersection point where less than R. Okay, and then how about this one? Okay, lining dekat luar of the circles. Okay, so it is no intersection point. Okay, no intersection point. This one okay. Alright, so we go to the one intersection point. Ini betul-betul kena. So line ni kita panggil tangent line. Tangent line. So macam mana? Okay, sama. D sama dengan modulus AH plus BK plus C over square root of A square plus B square is equal to R. Okay, so we have another one more case. Okay, so dia memang tak sentuh langsung lah. Macam mana nak ada intersection point line tu dia tak sentuh langsung dengan the circles. Okay, so this one D ni adalah jarak daripada center to a line. Okay, so kalau D dapat lebih kurang less than radius, so dia adalah two intersection points. Okay. And then kalau kita ada one intersection point, kalau kita ada line, dia touch betul-betul on a circle ataupun kita panggil tangent line, pass through on a circle. So dia akan ada only one intersection point. And also kalau you ada line yang far away from a circle, okay, so kita tahu dia tak ada intersection point. Okay, this one distance dia greater than the radius. Okay, distance greater than the radius. Okay. Okay, so determine the point of intersections of the circle x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to 5. And the line y is equal to 2x plus 3. Okay, so you have a line, you have intersection line C1. Okay, for the line, you have y. Rearrange this one, so you got 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. So ingat balik tak? So is A, here is B, and this one is C. So A is equal to 2, B is equal to negative 1, C is equal to 3. So we have okay, center HK at here. Okay, sorry. Center HK at okay. 1, 1, 2. Okay. So next is we use a D. D is the modulus of, okay, saya recall balik, AH plus BK plus C over square root of A square plus B square. Okay, so this one is equal to modulus of 2 times 1 plus B negative 1 times K 2 plus C 3 over square root of A 2 square plus B negative 1 square. So you got equal to 3 over square root 5. So distance kan dia ada units. Okay. Okay, so next. Okay, next adalah since, okay, D is less than R. Okay, sorry. D is 3 over square root 5. So dia adalah 1.34. Okay, 1.34. Okay, so dia adalah less than the radius. Radius is 5. Square root 5. Okay, radius is square root 5. Dia adalah okay, D less than R. So therefore, kena tengok balik nota ya. So therefore they are two intersection points. Alright, so what's next? So okay, we have a circle. The equations of circle is x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square is equal to 5. Ni kita ada two intersection points. Kita nak cari intersection point lah. Okay, so x minus 1 and plus y minus 2 square is equal to 5. L adalah kita ambil yang asal, which is y is equal to 2x plus 3. So kita buat simultaneous equation. So macam mana simultaneous equation? So this one is 1 and this one is 2. Okay, so macam mana nak buat? Okay, so substitute okay, 2 into 1, so you got x minus 1 square plus y adalah 2x plus 3. So ada minus 2 square is equal to 5. So yeah, this one ni adalah y lah. Okay, so nak buat apa? So kita expand lah. Okay, nak buat apa? Kita expand. So this one x square. So x square. So 1 times negative 1 times 2. So dia adalah negative 2x negative 1 square plus 1. So plus. Okay, this one dia jadi okay, this one dia jadi 2x, okay, 3 minus 2 plus 1, okay, square. So this one dia akan jadi 2x plus 1 square, dia akan jadi 4x square plus 4x plus 1. Okay, so equal to 5. Alright, so rearrange. X dengan 4x dia akan jadi 5x square. Okay, so negative 2x plus 4x dia akan jadi plus 2x. So 1 plus 1, 2. Okay. So here bring 5 to the left, so minus 5. So dia akan jadi minus 3. So equal to 0. So this one we can factorize 5x dengan x to 0. So 3 should be here and then 1 here, negative. So akan ada satu positif, akan ada satu negatif. So 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Therefore x is equal to, okay, 3 over 5 and x is equal to negative 1. Okay. So ini dia punya sketch. Okay. Kita ada circle with a center. Center dia apa? Center dia adalah 1, 2. Okay, so what's next? Kita ada, saya rewrite balik x is equal to 3 over 5 and x is equal to, okay, negative 1. So, okay, when x is equal to 3 over 5, okay, y we have 2x plus 3 equal to 2x adalah 3/5 plus 3. So this one equal to 21/5. And when x is equal to -1, y is equal to 2 times -1 plus 3. So equal to -2 plus 3 is equal to 1. So therefore, again, therefore what? So therefore, the intersection points are, okay, 3/5, 21/5, and -0.1. Okay, that is the answer. For example, 6. Okay, all right. So we move to example 7. Determine the equations of a circle that pass through for 1, 6, -4, 1, and 9, 6. Okay, so macam mana nak buat? Okay, so by using for this kind of question, we use a general form of a circle by using a general form of a circle. Then at point 1, 6, okay, general point yang mana, general form yang mana kita ada x square okay, plus y square plus ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now we have okay, 0.16, so maksudnya ini x and 6 is a y. So you masukkan 1 square plus 6 square plus a1 plus b6 plus c is equal to 0. Mana datang y, this one is x. Okay, alright, so okay, you simplify, so you got a plus 6 b plus c, okay, 1 plus 36 plus 37 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equation 1. Okay, now we move to the next point. Okay, ini adalah point 16. Now we move to point okay, -4, 1. Okay, so sama kita pakai general form of a circle. So -4 square plus 1 square plus -4a plus 1b plus c okay, equal to 0. So, okay, 16 square plus 1, 17 lah. So, update -4a plus b plus C plus 17 is equal to 0. Okay, so this is equation number 2. Okay, 0.16. Sorry, negative 4, 1. Okay, and then we have another point. Okay, which is a 0.96. Sama 9 square tambah 6 square plus 9A plus 6B plus C is equal to 0. So now we have 9A plus sorry. So now we have a 9A plus 6B plus C plus 117 equal to 0. So this is 3. So apa nak buat? Apa nak buat? Tengok. Okay, apa yang boleh buat? So kalau kita tengok dekat sini, we have a 6B and a 6B here. So apa nak buat? Kita boleh eliminate B lah untuk find the answer. Eliminate B and also C, so we can find A. Okay, so apa nak buat? Okay, so 3 minus 1 sebab apa? 3 lebih besar. Okay, so dia akan jadi 9A minus A, so 8A, 6B minus 6B habis, C minus C habis. Okay, plus 117 minus 37. So plus 80 is equal to 0. So 8A is equal to negative 80. A sama dengan negative 10. Okay. So now we replacing A equal to negative 10 into K1 minus 2. So we obtain replacing A equal to negative 10 into 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. So you got 1 kan? So negative 10 plus 6B plus C plus 37 equal to 0. This is 1 updated. And then replacing A is equal to negative 10 into 1 minus 2. So 2 is a negative. Okay, plus 40. Okay, plus B plus C plus 17 is equal to 0. Okay, so 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2. So 1 minus 2. So we obtain negative 10 minus 2, negative 50 plus 6 5b plus 37 minus 17 20 is equal to 0. So we got 5b negative 50 plus 20 is a negative 30, so equal to 30, bring to the right. So b is equal to 6. Okay, and then substitute b equal to 6 into 1 lah, paling senang. Okay, so we obtain okay, a is negative 10 plus 6 times 6 plus c plus 37 equal to 0. So you got c is equal to negative 10 plus 36, you got 26, 26 plus 37, so you got 60, 63, so bawa ke kanan akan jadi negative 63. Okay, so therefore okay, wait, this one jangan lupa. So therefore okay, you boleh substitute here lah. Therefore, saya sambung kat sini, the equation of a circle is okay, x square plus y square minus 10x plus 6y minus 63 is equal to 0. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, so we have another example for your better understanding. Okay, so this is the equations of a tangent line and a normal to a circle. So this one is actually related to the the previous video in subtopic 1.9. Okay, so given find the equations of the tangent and normal to the circle. So the circle is x squared minus 5x plus y squared plus 4y minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay, at center 2, 3. Okay, 2, 3 ni ada h and this one is your k lah. Okay, so this is a general form of a circle. Alright, so kita nak pakai apa? Okay, by saya tulis CTS ni, faham by completing the square. Okay, so saya kata x, okay, minus, okay, half kepada b, 5/2, and then square. So negative 5/2 square, you got 25/4. So tambah so you kena tolak balik lah 25/4. Okay, so plus, okay, y plus, okay, half b, 2 square, so 2 square, 4, so minus 4, so minus 15 is equal to 0, so you simplify, so x minus 5/2 square, k plus y plus 2 square, So minus 25 over 4. Okay, minus 4. Minus 15, you got 101 over 4. Negative 101 over 4, so you bring to the right, that can be 101 over 4. So from here, okay, the center HK is at 5 over 2, okay, and negative 2, okay, sorry. It's at 5 over 2 and negative 2. So now kita nak buat apa? Kita nak cari normal line. Kita nak question tangent then also normal line. Okay, so satu CTS, ada 3 step. Yang kedua adalah we want to find a normal line. Okay. So, kita pakai formula mana? Kita ada satu point saja. Kalau kita pakai okay, intercept form. Okay, kita pakai gradient form. So y minus y1, okay, over x minus x1, okay, equal to y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So, okay, normal line. Y minus, okay, y1 is a 3 sebab dekat point ni kan, and then x minus, okay, 2 is equal to okay, this one. Y mana nak ambil? Okay, so this one is x2 y2 here akan jadi x1 y1, so equal to x2 negative 2 minus 3 over, okay, negative 5 over 2 minus, okay, minus 2. Okay, so kita sambung kat sini. Okay, paling senang you buat y minus 3 kat sini adalah, okay, dapat negative 10. Okay, so x minus 2 naik ke atas lah. Okay, so y minus 3 equal to negative 10x plus 20. So, okay, rearrange, kita akan dapat 10x plus y minus 23 is equal to 0. So this is a normal to the circle. Okay, so this is a normal to the circle. So we move to the third step, which is we want to find the tangent line. Okay, so the tangent line. Okay, we know that the gradient of normal times the gradient of the tangent line is equal to -1. So, okay, gradient of normal. So, gradient kat mana? Gradient kat sini. Okay, kalau you rearrange dia, you akan nampak sini kan. Okay, -10. Y is equal to mx plus. Okay, so gradient of a normal is a -10 times mt is equal to -1. So gradient of a tangent is equal to 1 over 10. Okay, so we want to find the equations of a tangent. So kita tahu ni lah. Okay, balik. Okay, balik this formula. So apa you akan dapat? Okay, balik this formula. Okay, kat sini. M you dah tahu. Ni M dia. You akan dapat Y minus 3 over X minus 2 is equal to 1 over 10. So Y minus 3 is equal to 1 over 10 times X minus 2. So rearrange dia akan jadi 10y minus 30 is equal to x minus 2. So x minus 10y, okay, plus 28 is equal to 0. That is the equations of a